Mariam Munir from Munir Grammar School. Welcome to KG class. Students, today we will learn maths. Let's start. Open your notebook and hold your pencils. So students, the activity for the today is fill in the missing numbers. So students, look at this. Tell me what is shown on this page. Yes, it is a clock. So tell me what we will write in the clock. We will write numbers. So let's start. Hold your pencils and write with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is already written. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 is written already. So students, tell me what the time is. The little needle is on 6 and the big needle is on 12. It is dash o'clock. So students, it is 6 o'clock. Get it? So this is your classwork and we have done it. Look at the next page. Number in words. 13. Thirteen. 13. You have to write 13 in this page. And now here draw a shape. The shape, which shape? Circle. You can use compass or any other thing which is round in shape and put it here on the page and draw it with the help of pencil. And you got a circle here. You can also cut the circle of glaze paper and paste it here. Draw the shape as you like. And if you draw the shape with the pencil, you have to color the circle. Okay? Color carefully. Inshallah, I will check it from you tomorrow. Now open your textbook. Page number 24. Today we will learn 18, 19 and 20. So students, hold your pencil accurately and write with me. E, I, G, H, T, double E, N. 18. Write them here. E, I, G, H, T, double E, N. 18. E, I, G, H, T, double E, N. 18. E, I, G, H, T, double E, N. 18. Look at this. This is number 19. N, I, N, E, T, double E, N. I N E T double E N 19 N I N E T double E N 19 N I N E T double E N 19. Look at this बच्चे, this is number 20. So let's write 20. T W E N T Y 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 20. So students, here we have done our work. Do practice at your home of page number 24. I will give it in your homework. You have to do what? You have to do write these numbers on your copy. Do practice again and again so that you can learn it by heart. Now open your book of general knowledge. Students, open the segment of social studies. Today we are going to do the question, when did Allama Muhammad Iqbal die? बेटा वो पूछ रहे हैं अलामा मोहम्मद इकबाल कब डेथ हुई उनकी, वो कब वफात पाए. ठीक है, 21 अप्रैल 1938. 21 अप्रैल 1938 सॉरी. ठीक है, ये 21 अप्रैल 1938, 21 अप्रैल 1938, 21 अप्रैल 1938. आपको ये डेट याद रखनी है आपने. When did अलामा मोहम्मद इकबाल डाई? अलामा मोहम्मद इकबाल की डेथ कब हुई है? 21 अप्रैल 1938. पढ़े मेरे साथ ये डेट बार बार. 21 अप्रैल 1938, 21 अप्रैल 1938, 21 अप्रैल 1938, 21 अप्रैल 1938, 21 अप्रैल 1938. When did अलामा मोहम्मद इकबाल डाई? 21 April 1938. Learn this question by heart. Inshallah, I will listen it from you tomorrow. Now open your book of drawing. Page number 14. Students, you have to draw vegetables here and color them nicely. Inshallah, I will check it tomorrow. Now look at your diary. You have to do your homework on copy. Book write on page number 24. You have to practice, write it on your copy. General knowledge, when did Allama Muhammad Iqbal die? And drawing page number 14. इंशाल्लाह कल मुलाकात होगी. काम अच्छे से कीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.